Welcome back to Rest Well Legends in yet another tribute video of celebrities who passed away today. Be sure to subscribe to keep updated. Today on February 21st, 2024, it was announced that Ewen Douglas MacIntosh had died aged 50 after he had endured a long battle with his health in recent years. Ewen Douglas MacIntosh was a British actor and comedian known for his role as Keith Bishop in The Office, which aired between 2001 and 2003. MacIntosh's big break in television came when he was cast as deadpan accountant Keith Bishop in The Office. He has also appeared in various shows such as Miranda and Little Britain. He formed a double act with Tim Fix-Higem and they performed at the Edinburgh Fringe Festival in 2007. In 2009, he appeared alongside several other celebrities in a charity music video for the Chris Rea song Driving Home from Christmas. In 2010, he had a cameo role in a controversial Serbian film, appearing in stock footage alongside The Office co-star Mackenzie Krug. In early 2013, he prepared to play at a new West End show Greek, a new musical at the Tristan Bates Theatre, which opened on 22nd April 2013. He was also a regular on the radio sitcom Cabin Pressure at Kroll, the bored ATC operator. In 2013, he appeared in a national TV advert for AO.com. A year later, he appeared as Barry the window cleaner in the film The Confusion on Tongues, which aired in 2014. In 2017, MacIntosh appeared as Lionel in British romantic comedy film Finding Fatima. He appeared in week 2 Cheshire of Celebrity Come Dine With Me in 2020 alongside Charlotte Crosby, Don Ward, Stephen Arnold, and Jay Heaton. In 2013, MacIntosh was signed on with Salopian Films for the lead part in a 6-part series For the Love of Ella, which was subsequently cancelled. It was also to star Lucy Drive, Alex Reid, Bobby Ball, Daniel Peacock, Melanie Skies, Doreen Day, Francoise Pascal, and Billy Pierce. The script was written by Simon W. Golding, co-producer, and the pilot directed by James Farina, who is also the co-producer. MacIntosh also presented various music programs on Now 80s and Now 90s. In 2022, he made a cameo appearance in the third and final series of Afterlife. MacIntosh was born in Merionethshire. He was educated at Ripton School in Derbyshire and studied linguistics at the University of Edinburgh. While at university, he was actively involved in the Edinburgh University Theatre Company and the Improverts. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to keep updated.